and the state government won't allow them to build a new one. It is prohibited to be buried there. However, since the ground is permanently frozen, which preserves the bodies and any potential diseases they would be harboring, the main concern is funny not for the weak truck driver cause this ain't number 9 to 5 shirt. Flu literally resurfacing if they dig up some old bodies by accident. It's not funny not for the weak truck driver cause this ain't number 9 to 5 shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, if shit hits the fan. So a few weeks before your due date, you're shipped to the mainland to give birth. In worst case scenarios they have to be on a video call with the mainland's biggest hospital to funny not for the weak truck driver cause this ain't number 9 to 5 shirts. I bet you're thinking that this hospital is very primitive. But it's not. We just done have x-ray machines and all that shit. Because having a population of about 2,500 doesn't warrant all the other product.